Every morning, I wake up to the gentle hum of my alarm clock at 6:30 a.m. The room is still quiet, bathed in the soft glow of dawn. My name is Dr. Emily Carter, and I am a dentist. People often think my job is all about fixing teeth, but it's so much more than that. It's about helping people feel confident in their smiles, easing their fears, and sometimes even changing their lives. After brushing my teeth, yes, I'm particular about dental hygiene, I get dressed in my white coat and head to the clinic. The drive is peaceful this early, with the streets mostly empty except for a few joggers and delivery trucks. When I arrive, the clinic is calm before the bustle of the day begins. I take a moment to review the schedule, routine cleanings, cavity fillings, and one nervous patient who's coming in for her first root canal. Each appointment is an opportunity to make someone's day a little brighter, or at least less painful. The first patient of the day is a young boy named Timmy. His mother accompanies him, holding his hand tightly as they walk into the examination room. "He's terrified," she whispers apologetically. I smile warmly and kneel down to Timmy's level. "Hi, Timmy," I say gently. "Do you know why we're here today?" He shakes his head, clutching his mom's hand even tighter. "Well, we're going to count your teeth and make sure they're super strong," I explain. "And guess what? If you're brave, I have a special sticker just for you." His eyes light up slightly at the mention of a reward. With some encouragement, he climbs into the chair, gripping the armrests as I begin the checkup. As I examine his teeth, I chat with him about his favorite cartoons and school subjects. By the time I'm done, he's smiling proudly, ready to pick out his sticker. Next comes Mrs. Peterson, an elderly woman who visits every 6 months for a cleaning. She's been coming to the clinic for years, and we've developed a friendly rapport. "Good morning, Dr. Carter," she greets me cheerfully. "How are you today?" We exchange pleasantries as I prepare her for the procedure. While cleaning her teeth, she tells me about her grandchildren and how proud she is of their achievements. Listening to her stories reminds me that being a dentist isn't just about technical skills, it's about connecting with people. By mid-morning, the pace picks up. A teenager named Sarah arrives, clutching her jaw in pain. "It's been hurting for days," she says through gritted teeth. After examining her, I discover a deep cavity that needs immediate attention. "Don't worry, Sarah," I reassure her. "We'll fix it, and you'll feel much better soon." I explain the procedure step by step, making sure she understands everything. Once the anesthesia kicks in, I get to work. By the end of the appointment, Sarah looks relieved. "Thank you, Dr. Carter," she says gratefully. "I didn't think it would be so easy." As the afternoon progresses, I meet a new patient, a young woman named Lily who's visibly anxious about her upcoming root canal. "I've heard horror stories," she admits nervously. I nod sympathetically. "I understand why you're worried, but I promise we'll take good care of you. You won't feel a thing." To ease her nerves, I show her the tools we'll use and explain how modern techniques have made root canals virtually painless. Throughout the procedure, I keep the conversation light, asking about her hobbies and travel plans. By the time we finish, her tension has melted away. "That wasn't nearly as bad as I thought," she admits with a laugh. Between appointments, I take a quick break to grab a cup of coffee and catch my breath. Dentistry can be physically demanding, requiring precision and focus for hours on end. But it's moments like these, the relief on a patient's face or the trust they place in me, that make it all worthwhile. Later in the day, I see Mr. Thompson, a longtime patient who recently lost several teeth due to gum disease. He's been fitted for dentures, and today is his first fitting. "How do they feel?" I ask as he tries them on. At first, he struggles to adjust, but after a few minutes, he starts to smile. "They look natural," he says, looking at himself in the mirror. "I haven't smiled like this in years." Watching his confidence return fills me with pride. A simple set of dentures may not seem like much to some, but to Mr. Thompson, it's a renewed sense of self-worth. As the day winds down, I reflect on the variety of patients I've seen. From Timmy's bravery to Lily's anxiety, each interaction was unique. Being a dentist requires more than just knowledge of teeth. It demands empathy, patience, and a commitment to improving people's lives. Whether it's relieving pain, restoring confidence, or simply offering a kind word, every appointment matters. On the drive home, I think about how rewarding yet challenging my job can be. Some days are exhausting, especially when dealing with difficult cases or fearful patients. But then there are moments like today, when I see the impact of my work firsthand. A child leaves the clinic unafraid, an elderly man regains his smile, and a young woman overcomes her fear. These small victories remind me why I chose this profession. When I get home, I change into comfortable clothes and sit by the window with a cup of tea. Outside, the sun is setting, painting the sky in shades of orange and pink. I scroll through photos of happy patients and handwritten thank you notes they've sent over the years. Each one reinforces my belief that dentistry is about more than just teeth. It's about building relationships and making a difference. Tomorrow will bring new challenges, new faces, and new opportunities to help. And I'll be ready, armed with my tools, my knowledge, and my unwavering dedication to my patients. Being a dentist isn't just a job, it's a calling. And honestly, I wouldn't trade it for anything.